guys, good morning. It's me again. And so yeah, samahan niyo mag-get ready. Get ready with me. Get ready with me. Hi kasabay. So yeah guys, ito na pang final look. Wala din ako. You can't see. Guys, welcome to the school. Welcome to school. It's already 8:11, I guess. And yeah, I haven't vlogged for so long. It's been a month. I just need to take a break. So yeah guys, samahan nyo. Maglakad. Tingin sa kanan, tingin sa kalawa, baka mabangga. Look at the sky, it's so clear. So yeah, makikinig na ako ng music. Tama na ang aesthetic. So yeah, morning playlist is Beanie. I feel good. Feel good album. Stream Beanie guys. Stan Beanie. So yeah, bye bye. Ang init. Naiihi ako, bebis ako ng paglalakad. Waiting. Ayaw mag-focus. Waiting till mag-ride. Another view. Ang ganda dito. Wala na masyadong cherry blossom kasi ubos na sila. Naglagas na. Nag-green na sila eh. Bye-bye. Wait lang mamaya. Mamaya na. Sandali. Sandali. After so many years ng paglalakad, nakarating na ako. After so many years of walking, I am here. My love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. So yeah, I'm going to textile this. I need some embroidery threads. Aya, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Where are you going?
Gym.
Oh, is that your A block?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. But it's okay.
Okay, see ya. Bye.
Laboratory setting.
5 minutes later.
Kapili na ako ng mga threads ko for my embroidery. I'm gonna do hard. Go to my A block.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nakuha ko na po ang report cards. Okay, guys. Straight A's. Ganun. Yung thank you po. Ito maintain daw. Oh my God, go lang po. Bigyan niyo lang po ang mga activities. Kaya magreklamo muna bago gumawa. Tsari. Padayon. Hinaw naman ang buhay sa buhay. Padayon. Ang goal or motto. Bye-bye. So guys, lunch na. And I'm staying here. Well, I just need to cut all my patterns. So, sewing tomorrow. Alam mo, kukunin ko sana yung tripod ko kasi wala na akong time. Makain pa ako. Gagawin pa rin ako, diba? May pag-asa nga ba? Na ba't ka ang puso ko'y mapabigyan? Sure. I'm gonna eat dun sa taas. Guys, I'm here with third floor and ang dami ko dala. Wait, nakain mo na ako. Pagod na ako pang matulog. Nakabalak ko sa social system. Sabi kasi nakalagay doon, dapat daw i-consistent ka. Yung grade na yan, siya, ang hirap pa naman yung history. Like, pero I think I can slay it naman. That's my social. Kaya pakita yung loob. Bakit? Love ko to eh. kung gusto ko ipakita, gusto ko papakita ko, pero ayaw ko. Ayok. Charing. Lang. May tao kasi sa loob, but syempre nakakaya mag-video. So, anyways, yeah guys, I'm just gonna put this on my locker stuff. And, is this recording?
Many hours later.
The way to PE na and did some lesson then earlier. Hi guys, so we're going for a walk for PE. Hi.
Ay, ang ganda.
Oh, ang ganda ng bahay. And I don't know exactly where we're going, but yeah, malapit na to sa amin and uwi na ako. At pala dinala ko yung bag ko, no?
Yung role model ka.
Ha?
Role model ka naman.
Anong role model nila? Maging OA, ganun. Hi guys, so look at this view, wait. Something about you, and now I can't remember. Day, ang ganda. Wala kaming ginagawang masama. Dito. Diyan ka. Uy, dahan lang. Uy, diyan ka. Yung outfit ko hindi pang dito.
Parang office worker na pumunta sa iba.
Inapilitan ka na. Tinan mo, nandun sila sa bando.
Punta din tayo.
Ang ganda naman ng first make ko. Baka umiyak ako, actually.
I'm so glad we came.
Welcome to Moss. Ano bang pangalan nito? Moss Bay Park. Moss Bay? Moss Rock. Welcome to Moss Rock Park, guys. And look at this view. Hindi ko makita. But yan, opo, kung nakikita nyo. Swerte nyo naman kasi hindi ko makita eh. But, okay, tara na. Tara na. Ang bilis naman. 30 minutes na yung naglakad tapos mag 5 minutes na tayo magstay. Balik tayo dito.
Tara.
So yeah, we're going back to the school. Bye. And this is our PE for today. Ito rin naman. And bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay, so after so many years of walking, we're already here. We made it back. Ay. Nakuti, yung pila. We're going to get some free bread. So, already just, it's already like 4. I just went to the gym for like 30 minutes. That's it. I have to go home early because I need to clean our house. So yeah, guys, I go to my locker. And sadly, I picked my locker and third floor, and I need to go back here on third floor and then here, and it's ready for 4:01. May ganun transition ay. So yun ang may foyer. Ang foyer guys. I forgot to show it to you. And wait na. Wala. Buksan. Ayan. Aray ka. That's the field. Wait. Tingin-tingin sa daan. Baka mahulog sa hagdanan. Ayan. Back. Awitin mo. At isa sa iyo. Hanggang dito na lang. Abay na. Ang dami ko mag-debate kasi I need to embroider something. Ganyan. Oops. And I'm just gonna read inside the bus. So, hindi ako nagsayang ng oras. Book research for my composition then. So, yeah, bye-bye. Gusto mo may isang single strand sa aking noo. There's one single strand of my hair in front of my forehead. So yeah, babash. I have something to, I don't have like a homeworks, but yeah, siguro I'm just gonna play ML. Hi, yeah me. But cause maybe I'm just gonna study. Even though there's still no exact date for that exam for socials, but still, it's good to be ready. So yeah, bye-bye. Hi guys. So bye-bye guys. So yeah, congrats to all guys, all the students that received their report cards, and yeah, you did great this semester. And keep striving guys. Keep padayon. Padayon means keep moving forward, right? Am I right? But yeah, if I'm wrong, please correct me. So yeah, babush, and yeah, I'm walking in Camson Street, and I'm not even looking in the road. So yeah, babush, and yeah, bye bye. Love you, and thank you for watching this video, and subscribe. Bush, and bye bye. Ay, ganon. Bye bye.